Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and here we are for our hop, and I hope you will find this hop really interesting, very mystical, as we all worked so hard on our projects, and hope you will like it. So please thumbs up and subscribe each one of our channel and comment below. If you are a new subby, welcome to my channel, and I hope you will find my channel helpful and interesting. This hop is closing on June 29th at 11 a.m. Central Time, and we are going to pick our own winners since we are having our individual prizes for this blog hop. So our winners will be announced on June 30th at 11 a.m. Central Time here on our channels. I would like to take a moment and thank to Sandra B, who is Creative Paper Craft here on YouTube, and Sandy, who is Decorate Your Life by Sandy. I have all the links below in the description box, and I would like to thank and all the best to all the participants, and please try to hop along with us, and I'm sure it will be interesting since it's a mystical theme. And we had 3 options to pick. So one was mermaid and the unicorn and fairy. Of course I picked fairy. I'm so much into fairy world. It's really interesting. I love creating fairy houses and smaller things like small doors, balconies, and butterflies, flowers, lights, whatnot. Especially I love to use soft lights on my fairy projects always, or some flickering candles. I created this beautiful box which has really cute mini album inside. So this box is a graphic 45 big box, but it was sliding box. So I will show you what I did with this box. I little bit altered this box to make sure my album will fit inside. My album is made out of scratch. This whole album I created using chipboards and cardstocks and everything. So that will show you album, of course, but before that I'm going to show you this beautiful box. I have used Fairy Bell collection, which was very old collection by Prima, and designer was Jodie, and I miss her so much, her collections. This is one of her really beautiful soft colored collection, Fairy Bell, and you can see all over I have used the Fairy Bell paper and a brown paper along. So I didn't use actual fairy images here. I have used chipboards. So this chipboard, this fairy chipboard is by Scrapnik, and I have used other fairy chipboard by Creative Embellishments. So I will show you all the fairies inside, but before that I'm going to mention I have used all the butterflies all over through the album by Lemon Craft. You can get this kind of Lemon Craft butterfly cutout sheet. So this is really helpful, and all the colors are there, lots of beautiful colors, so you can use as per your theme. And as you can see, this wonderful album called Wonder, I have used Prima, these pearl swirls, and this is Petaloo flower, and all the flowers are by Prima. And we will open. So this box, originally you can slide this part through, so it comes here, but I have used some magnet and I opened this box like that, so you can see. So what I did, I just cut this part which from here, and then I used some magnets under this paper and here the heavy magnet, and so I wanted to open this box like that. I didn't want to slide since my album is bulky and it's over taller than the box, and since the window is here, I really wanted to come up this beautiful fairy and flowers through this window. So this is like that. So this box I I haven't decorated much, but I have used the same collection all over through the album. And I kept the box pretty simple since I decorated only front part. And we will check the album. And before I open this album, I have little surprise here. This album is light up album. I need to close my windows, the blinds, and I'll show you how it will. So I will keep the little light open so you can see the original color of these beautiful papers and flowers. So I will just keep this aside here somewhere. So this is the album, which is 5 by 5, and there is some beautiful laces are here and rosettes to cover the side, and there is a button on top, and I have used that LED light string all over the album. There were a lot of mechanism going on inside to hide all the wires and everything. If somebody is interested, I will give you a tutorial how to make this kind of light up album. I never seen any light up album on YouTube, so I hope this is the new thing in this mini album world. So we will just light it so you can see some lights here and there. And I kept the closure pretty simple. I love seam binding bows always, so I used the ivory colored seam binding here. And then we will open our first. And one more thing I wanted to mention, I really wanted to mention from my heart, this bling is from my super sweet friend Sabrina Jackson. She sent me so many blings and I kept it. I saved them to use wisely on my beautiful project. So there is one here, and I have used one on my box right here. So she sent me 2 of these blings and I used both for this project. And let's open it. So you can see here, I kept this page pretty simple. You can, if we can write something or small pictures or anything, but this album is not really meant for pictures and journaling. It's just to enjoy the beauty and enjoy the wonderful mystical experience throughout this album. So I don't think it's ideal for pictures, but I kept some spaces open. So this one is also a scrap knit chipboard piece and some of the flowers and again butterflies, and I have used some stickles all over on the butterflies to give them little bit glitter. And this window is from my stash, and this is also one of the scrap knit piece, and you can see through this window the lights are behind. It looks like a 3D. It is 3D actually. And there is a fairy, you can see. So we are always comfortable in our houses, so I put the sentiment comfort here. And there is another adventurous sentiment here and another butterfly. There are chandelier back there. This is the same paper line and some doilies. This paper line is super perfect for fairy theme. I tried my best to find out some more options, but this is the only option I got for my album, and I'm so happy and pleased I had this collection with me. I have also used some petaloo flowers and some pearls here and there, you can see. So next page we will open. So this is my next page, and I have used a frame here, a resin frame, so you can see through this window and the lights, everything. And I have used petaloo flowers and butterfly and another fairy here, and all these fairies are creative embellishments, chipboard. and there is a sentiment says bloom. And next page, this one is a scrapnik birdhouse and some butterflies here, and these are Prima flowers. And next page is pretty simple. On this page basically you can put the picture or write something, so I kept it very plain, butterfly and flowers. And the next page there is a big flower here, Prima flower, a butterfly, and this is huge Prima say it in crystal thing, and some pearls here and there. It says beautiful. And then on next page, one of my favorite page is this one, but before that I'm going to show you. There is a big butterfly wing here, and I got all these butterflies from some art and craft stores, the big ones, and I cut the wings and put it here and there. And it says dreamy, and this is my one of the favorite pages, and this is very ideal page, I can say. So this fairy is looking somewhere down there, and there is my light glowing, and I found a sentiment chipboard piece which called earth. So I feel like this page is really meaningful. And then next page, which has some chipboard piece and some flowers, butterflies, and there is another page where fairy is going to grab something or hold something, and I have this light here, so I thought I will stick this fairy right here. I glittered the fairy. Initially I wanted to emboss all the fairies with black embossing powder, but I thought I will keep these fairies just glittery in whatever the chipboard tone is there. So next page is there is a brown butterfly wing and a Petaloo flower, small butterfly. And by the way, this is Jodie's crystal pieces, this one, and I have somewhere here, right here. I loved them. I loved the look of these crystals. It's very mystical. And another Petaloo flower here, and a fairy, cute little fairy sitting. I love her pose, how she sat on this flower. And a butterfly here, couple of Prima flowers. And I have used this chipboard piece which is from the first one. This is whole chipboard is scrapnik doily chipboard, and there is one oval piece here which I have used on this page. And I love this scrapnik chipboard so much. And the back side is pretty simple like this, and we can close our album using this same binding. I hope you liked my album, and when you put this album in your box, light up as it is, you can see the light coming from this lamp. Isn't it cute? I thoroughly enjoyed making this album, and please hop along with us. And to win our prizes, you have to be our subscribers. I have all designers link down below in the description box and all the rules. Also please check it out. And another thing, I am going to give away 2 gift vouchers. One gift voucher $15 sponsored by craftycity.com, which is for international subscribers, and another $15 gift voucher for USA subscribers. So while you comment, you have to mention your country if you are international subscriber, and all of the subscribers, including international and USA, you have to put the word light up after your comment. So I really wanted to read your beautiful comment along with the word light up. So whoever typed this word will be entered in my drawing. So all the best to all of you and hop along, and thank you so very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.